town. That is the plan. Now, guesswork. There is no guesswork. We have to have a plan if we have to sort out the problem of unemployment in our nation. And that is why we are telling the young people of our nation, each one of you lazima mjipange. Kazi ya vijana sio kupiga makelele ama kupiga mayowe ama kupiga makofi. Kazi yenu ni kujipanga, ukuje TVET hapa, usomee, upate skill, kwa sababu the next 5, 10, 15, 40 years we have something for you to do for yourself, for your nation, and for the transformation of our country. And that is why I came here, so that parents can understand that they have made the right decision to bring these young people to these great institutions called KIPSI National Police Station and all the other TVET institutions around the country. Let me say a few things about this college.